Hi everyone, our topic is insurance planning. Today, let's talk about insurance. Some people always thought it was kind of a waste of money. This is because the products was really confusing and insurance agents are kind of scary. Nevertheless, we decided to do a deep dive into this topic. This story is about Mr. Jonathan living to the fullest with the help of the types of insurance. Mr. Jonathan is a worker in the farm. One day, it was unusually sunny days. As Mr. Jonathan toiled in the farm, he was admitted to the hospital for a heat stroke and he had to stay in the hospital for 3 days. His hospital bill came out to his full month's salary. Mr. Jonathan feels it is a good thing to buy medical insurance, otherwise this hospital stay would have burned a hole in his wallet. This is because medical insurance is essential to cover the hospital bills whenever one gets admitted. After his stay in the hospital, he starts to think more about what would happen to his wife and children if it was no longer around. Mr. Jonathan has bought life insurance to protect his family's future even when he was no longer around. This is a lump sum of cash that will be claimed out should death occur to Mr. Jonathan's insurer. Normally, this money will be benefited his family. For example, add up all his liabilities such as car loans, house loans, and credit card debts. This ensures that his family has the amount of cash to clear his liabilities when he was no longer here. He would not want to leave his family filled with debts. Second, add the annual family expenses multiplied by the number of years he wishes to take care of his family. This is because if he is the breadwinner, his family will lose a sum of income when he was gone, but his family still needs to survive. Besides that, a sum of a ready education fund for his children so that his children's education will not be compromised in absence of him.
One day, Mr. Jonathan's father suffered a stroke due to his sedentary lifestyle and bad eating habits. After his stroke, he had to move around using wheelchair and needs help in his daily life. Mr. Jonathan is worried about the medical costs, but fortunately his father bought critical illness insurance. This is also a lump sum amount, but this is for the injured should any critical illness such as cancer, kidney failure, or stroke occur. Learning from his father's experience with stroke, Mr. Jonathan decided to do physical exercise daily to live healthier. One day, he met with an accident. He was admitted to the hospital. Mr. Jonathan can't work for a month because of a broken arm. When he was still worried about all the expenses, his wife alerted Mr. Jonathan has bought a personal accident policy before this. This policy to help Mr. Jonathan with his personal accident policy provide him with compensation. Understanding the type of insurance types and how each part of the life can help to plan for the life to ensure you are fully protected from uncertainties.